How to use Jeffrey Celavie AI. Welcome back, stargazers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of astrology AI with Jeffrey Celavie. Imagine getting personalized astrological insights at your fingertips. So, let's not waste any time and learn how to use Jeffrey Celavie AI for accurate and personalized astrological readings. Hey there! The first step in this cosmic journey is visiting the Jeffrey Celavie AI website. Make sure you have your birth details handy and let's go. To access the AI-powered magic, simply click on Main Home at the top of the page. Now scroll down until you see the blank white space. This is where the cosmic connection happens. Enter your birth details, date, time, and place. All set? Great. Hit the send button and let our AI companion Jeffrey Celavie work its celestial magic. Wow, that was fast! Within seconds, Jeffrey Celavie AI has generated a personalized astrological reading just for you. Congratulations! You now have access to valuable astrological insights tailored to your unique birth chart. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey of self-discovery with Jeffrey Celavie AI. Now you have the power to navigate life's twists and turns with celestial guidance. Remember to like this video and share it with your fellow star seekers. Safe and see you next time.